The situation is really disgusting, man. No permit must be granted for these parties because people who are doing their job and have their business going about can't get to go about their business.
The St. Anne Municipal Corporation is already looking at ways to prevent a recurrence. In an interview with our news team on Monday, Chairman Michael Belnavis...
No media facts, yo, people come to talk about the event them are going in at OCHO. Because I don't like when people are responding and say, because this even look good for the culture, for the country. The same event them where them are try to say, yo, them not forget to authorize to keep and all of them look at something there. Or the same event them are bringing tourism resources in Jamaica where uplift the country. The country can't do without tourists, you know. And them carrying the exchange and the money and all the tax, everything. When you have to understand, but never play something, people are making hear what go on.
Traffic nightmare in Discovery Bay following Emancipation Party weekend. NIA weighs in on political vandalism. And later,
reporter Anthony Lugg is in St. Anne and filed this report.
It was supposed to be a day of fun and frolic for partygoers, but for motorists traveling along the Queen's Highway heading into Discovery Bay, it was a traffic nightmare.
And this is really disturbing because right now I have guests on the bus traveling from morning and they want to go to their hotel.
See me say.
Alright, this is the thing, people. What me have to say about this now? It's like, yo, we have to, the road is like, when you realize a one stretch of road kind of go right around Jamaica, you know. Like, you have one main road you want to take right around Jamaica. And Jamaica is small, you know, and the thing is that the road them small, like, you don't know what I call it. I think 4 lane, you have some place have a 6 lane, 3 and all of them look something, the 8 lane. But the little thing with OCHO thing, Zine and the events them, cause look ya. Remember, you know, if no party no keep a Jamaica, you know, hell broke loose, you know, me I tell them that, you know. The people them need enjoyment, that's why you drawing the tourism and every little thing. You understand? So they must say your party will keep their name. I think as Zimmy say Beach.
Beach, a popular event held under the Best Weekend Ever party series, drew massive crowds resulting in a traffic jam which stretched miles, leaving motorists stranded for hours.
And this are the thing, you know, some of my people them, the two side of the road, it's like Jamaica just now. Let me tell you, that's why you see some people like Jamaica, because them can get with certain things. No rules, no did it. The traffic did it. Much police. Sometimes you see some traffic thing. Police no really did it like that. I always wonder why when things where police needed, them no did it. But them there are some place where them no need it. Stop your papers, But them thing when it comes to traffic and confusion, them no really did it like that. You understand? But we have to find solution, but we can't just stop the event them we are play, we are carrying money in the country. You understand? Because people have to enjoy them life. People can't invest in your house all day, you're mad out, you know. Yeah, man. But listen what they must say, people.
You have to go walk. Come out of a vehicle and walk if we have anything to do at a DB and I square. Can you imagine? All I will live a DB right now. Coming from Montego Bay.
Let me tell you, people. The road them in a OCHO, it needs to be more bigger. And that's one of the problem. Because you have 2 lane that go so and you have 1 lane on the right that go so. I say, oh, you have 2 lane and then you have 1 lane. But it don't make no sense. You have to even the thing. Double it. 2 over here, so 2 over this, so 3 over this, so 3. So them thing there with the traffic and you know through the town and the city have business people where have them vehicle outside. Some people stop a shop in the town and all of them look Sunday. So they look a confusion when the party don't know everybody will leave out one time. You understand? The police, them not much police and did if you direct the traffic. Cause look at everything in a life, right? You have to have rules. Cause imagine no stoplight never depend no road. A chaos, a problem. So we need the police them for structure the thing. Cause look at the stoplight them can program a certain way, but police would have make the stoplight thing be like a more manual thing. You see me? Because you don't know the stoplight are automatical thing. It done program already. So you can't change it for direct traffic how you want. You understand? But this is what they must say, people.
Turn back, drive Clarkstone and come back road.
As if sitting for hours was not already an inconvenience, unruly motorists made a bad situation worse.
Being in the traffic is one thing, but then you have the cars overtaking on the left, the cars overtaking on the right.
And this is the thing, you know, some of them drivers are just unruly. It's like them can't follow no rule. Because at the end of the day, you know, you can't do nothing. Some people have to turn back and do a next route or whatever, and some people have to just in the traffic car, look at them house or whatever, them are go there right down there. So if you go turn back and come back way around, it just not make no sense. You understand? But listen what they must say.
And they're still doing it. They're still doing it. Then you must videotape.
In a release on Monday.
Yeah, man, and that. Where for those videotape and everybody have to go with them dash cam. People are wait hours in a line, you know. But as me say, party can still keep. But the thing is that the road is not fit for the city or the whatever event for keep in the place. And we can't stop the event them. We need it and the country need it too, because without no event to keep in Jamaica, it'll cause problem, you understand, certain things, the GDP, you go down, all of them look something. We need the tourist support to kind of keep the country running, you understand? But we just can't please everybody. But me I say, yo, the OCHO road, them will have the 2 lane over here, so them the road can widen more. You understand? Widen more. Yeah, and they need to change the stoplight program in a way where you know it's alright. The bigger road make the traffic the kind of flow. And the one them where coming in on the main road them, yeah. But right now when even but I saw the thing say like sometimes my fees are just over exaggeration because I don't like them party I keep like every day like the big party. Mostly like summertime. Yeah, mostly like summertime. You will have them large summer party at Jamaican and all of them look or something. You see me? What you wish, sir?
Management of Best Weekend Ever said it does not condone indiscipline among drivers. It added that a coordinated traffic management plan was implemented, including designated parking zones and on-the-ground traffic monitoring. Despite these efforts, the traffic congestion was due to the increased travel along the single-lane corridor, which services both local...
Yes, because, look here, 2 lane over here, so, where I go on the left, I go up, so, up the road, and then 1 lane go down the road, which most of the people maybe are left the place. So it's like, nobody now want to wait in the traffic. So everybody go outside on the next side now, and say them a go up, and all of them look something there. You understand? So, the man them need for the structure them thing, you understand? They need for the structure them thing, structure the road, follow the road code and the roads and all of them look something. It doesn't make no sense.
Local communities and event attendees. Now, as questions swirl about what went wrong and who's responsible for Sunday's ordeal, it's understood that stakeholders will be meeting throughout the course of the day. We also tried to get a comment from the commanding officer for the St. Anne Police Division, but up to news time we were unsuccessful. Reporting from Discovery Bay here in St. Anne,
and that's the thing, you know. You see, some of them Jamaican police, yeah, it's like, we can't, even if I ask information, it's like the man in just lacking, like, me I tell you, it's like, yo, rather than them prefer hunt you, stop you for no reason and them thing. But when you forget information for what go on, what cause a problem, them no want to talk. Like them afraid of video and all of them look at something they can't bother with them people.
Ended for hours.
I walk, we have to go walk. Come out of the vehicle and walk if we have anything to do with a DB and I square. Can you imagine? All I will live a DB right now. Coming from Montego Bay, have to turn back, drive Clarkstone and come back road.
As if sitting for hours was not already an inconvenience, unruly motorists made a bad situation worse.
Being in the traffic is one thing.
Yeah, man, because it's like, it does not make no sense, people. No sense. You see it.
Leading into Discovery Bay on Sunday, Chairman Michael Bell Nevis made the disclosure in the light of the increase in entertainment events in St. Anne.
What you're seeing on your screen could easily pass for a parking lot, but it's not. It's actually scenes from the Queen's Highway on Sunday. The 2-lane main road was transformed into 4 as motorists...
Yo, this now look, yo, imagine a 3 lane, 2 over here so I go on, and then when it end up, it turn in a 1 way. Yo, you know, them people are not easy at all.
Tried to make their way into Discovery Bay.
Imagine.
Yeah, man, people, so it's like, you know,
which stretched miles, leaving motorists stranded for hours.
The situation is really disgusting, man. No permit must be granted for these parties because people...
And this a woman I like. You are gonna say, no permit, no for issue for these parties. Brother, you can't do that, brother. Because me know say, yo, if you did not get feed off of these events or you was a vendor, you wouldn't say so, bro. You may be a taxi man or somebody, but you can't remember in them same events you make people get money in them pocket, you know. For you say you want a permit, nothing and give for them events. Yeah. Come on, man. We as Jamaican, man, we need to do better. You understand? You can't do that. Because at the end of the day, same party a feed people. The jerk chicken man them, the vendor them, who serve our work with the event security, even police. You good as all of a family member, but you can't say that, brother. That me not like. We don't need to support each other. You can't say that. Say no permit or whatsoever, brother. Better you say, yo, them need to control them thing. But when you go say that, come on, man.
Who are doing their job and have their business going about can't get to go about their business.
Brother, but that now make no sense because when it's holiday and when it comes to the town, them and the traffic, people still can't get what they want to get, brother. When a holiday time or normal day, the traffic still full enough time I go OCHO and I buck up in a traffic without no event. You understand? So, you can't say, yo, people are go about them business. People are so you think everybody and get clogged up some of my time. You understand? And it's not like it's a everyday thing this. Just a once a while thing you think keep. So you are going to say, yo, them nothing in a permit. Just because one day you're not going like say the party I keep 7 days a week. You understand? For 365 days. No, brother. You can't say that.
and municipal corporation is already looking at ways to prevent a recurrence. In an interview with our news team on Monday, Chairman Michael Belnavis provided details.
I'm thinking that we need to now identify these events and put in some sort of restriction as to how many individuals can hold in a particular event. And
me I tell you, so wait there. To me, come like say them no want no more party keeping a watchy. Me I tell you. This is one look something here. Look how much years party are keeping a watchy. Look how much years. And the man them want restrict. Like, you don't understand, rather want to think about other things, bro. You need the road them need to sort out. The road them need to be bigger, brother. You understand? A years them event you keep. You understand? A years event you keep a watchy. So, you don't look on the real reason why cause the problem. You don't look on some little. And you don't go do that now, shut down, and then when you look, no tourists, no tour coming for no event again. The hotel them now go on for them and all of them look something there. You understand? It don't make no sense, brother. You need to think about other things. You understand? You not go say, remember, this is not an arena or a stadium where you can have a capacity or certain things, brother. This is outside where nobody can go nowhere. You understand? So if you don't come out and say them things, it don't make no sense. You see it?
Then have to give us a guarantee that they're not going to be selling tickets beyond the scope of that. And it happens in the States also. What you find is that people camp out at certain concerts because they want to get tickets. And
yes, but overseas is bigger, brother. Overseas is bigger. You know, understand? Overseas is bigger. Jamaica small. You understand?
If you know, after 1,000 tickets, that's it. You know that.
Man say after 1,000 tickets, that's it. Brother, this is not some little Lily Club and all of them look something. You see it? It nah make no sense.
Have another concert type of thing. That's something that we need to look at as a municipality. How is it that we can have those events and have it controlled? Because what I find is that people sell as much tickets as they can sell and make as much money as they can make. Alright.
Yeah, because everybody are trying to make a money. You yourself maybe are trying to make a money too. You understand? But the thing they need to organize the thing them, you can't look say yo permit for this amount of people and all of them look something there, brother. You understand? Yeah, it have a capacity, but at the end of the day, brother, all if 1,000 people, 2,000 people, it's still a cause confusion on the road because the road no build for the city. You can't have 2 lanes over here and 1 lane. That not make no sense. You have to double the thing.
This also came under fire from motorists who what they describe as poor management of the traffic leading into Discovery Day on Sunday.
And that are the thing, people. The police them not dead in the place. You see it? The police them not in the place to organize the thing. The city full, everybody are going to say confusion, taxi and all of them look something. No police not in the place to structure the thing like that. And if police did it, one day they might traffic, he might do everybody as are worried and one bag of thing.
Despite these efforts, the traffic congestion was due to increased travel along the single lane corridor, which services both local communities and event attendees. The management says it has already begun conversations with the relevant authorities to discuss.
Brother, the road, I don't know. You know what to people? Enough carry their Jamaica, you know? That enough. You see, since COVID 2020, the amount of car with their Jamaica, that's one of the thing too. You understand? Anywhere you check it, any town you're going to holiday time, Christmas time, you always gonna have traffic jam. Without event, I just saw the thing set. We just have enough car, the road them small, the road them can't even manage the car them we have in the country. And that's one of the major things too, you understand?
Collaborative planning strategies that support smooth staging of large-scale events. As questions swirl about who's responsible for Sunday's ordeal, we understand a probe has been launched.
Yeah, people, so it's like, yo, something not there, but I play one next clip, people, because that clip here with they look like Dream Weekend, and I don't understand. I don't really hear what going on.
That the popular Dream Weekend party series could soon leave NEGRIL. Small hoteliers are bracing for a potential.
Imagine NEGRIL. I don't understand. NEGRIL, where Dream Weekend I keep for years now. Usually name I think ATI, not name Dream Weekend. Now, it look like the people, the business people, them are over there in a NEGRIL, like them want the party move now. Remember this, people. It's a reason why Dream Weekend they are NEGRIL, because NEGRIL have the park where they might use, like, I remember Wet and Wild and all of these events. The events ground them dead where they might use over the years. Now, right now, Dream Weekend move now is like, you just gonna feel different, you understand? But listen what they must say.
A downturn in profits in the resort town. Now, it comes on the heels of already low occupancy in several small boutique hotels during the 5-day party series. Kalisha Williams has our story.
Scenes along the NEGRIL hip strip in Westmoreland since August 1. Patrons having the time of their lives as Dream Weekend kicks off in the resort town. But the biggest speculation on the ground is that it could be the last time the party series is held in NEGRIL. Some small hoteliers have also gotten word. For them, it could be a nightmare.
It's not nice, and it's just at the end of the day, it is what it.
Yo, this is how I'm rate, So, nothing go on, no business, nothing go on. People, you have to pray. Dream weekend, I keep for years. Years, And so after a sudden, them as a dream weekend affect the business, them, the hotel, them. I don't understand. Then wait. Then, no dream weekend are carrying the people them from foreign. I that more known. Them are carrying the people them from foreign, the tourism. If we make uno get bookings on a resort and hotel. Dream weekend are one of the party we are carrying enough tourists come to Jamaica for the event them. So after a sudden now, them want to move it because it affect. Me not understand this. Something the righteous of people, but not for hear what go on.
It's because it's not mine to say they can't go. But this NEGRIL started, right? And
brother, this sound like some bad mind thing. I tell you, him can't even talk. Because this is the thing, people. Just because them now get the local support at the resort them might try to blame it on the event because them say, yo, people come there so and maybe them now get the bookings like that. Remember right now the people them change, the people them right now them prefer book on Airbnb or book cheap. The people might go smarter way for book cheap because look here, some of them hotel down and NEGRIL and thing cost high. So the people might book some other places and certain little things are booking at one bunch. You understand? So the people them want to put a stop on dream weekend and keep them for years. But no say enough of them hotel here. Where if them book them and them say, yo, I come for dream weekend, them wouldn't have gone so. I choose them now get the support like that. You understand? But here we must say.
It's tough to see. I know a lot of people are going to be upset about it.
I think that times change. Times are always changing and things develop and things change. And maybe the truth is that somewhere else is a better fit for Dream Weekend in these times.
People, yo, this is how I narrate, This is how I narrate. They must say things and time change. Dream Weekend for move now. People, no Dream Weekend put a stamp in a NEGRIL. No Dream Weekend was a big event we make everybody go NEGRIL from Kingston, so. Remember the people that go NEGRIL like that, And when Dream Weekend I get the most people from Kingston, so Ray for go Dream Weekend, Imagine the biggest event where carry resources to NEGRIL. Them want that to move from NEGRIL. So when you move the biggest event we are keeping a NEGRIL, Dream Weekend, how now go get support? The real way for your last summer seasonal thing. One time for the year Dream Weekend keep in the summer. And the people them want it move. One time and it's not like Dream Weekend keep 5 days a year or what's even a one time. Them want it move. How the same thing we are carrying revenue because some of them not really get no support. The people them are go smarter we are not rent. Who not get the support. Maybe some people come for rent and choose them not come. They must say, yo, a time for it move and I say, yo, Jen, them people are not smart at all.
And look, there are a lot of other people who are trying to do things. The NEGRIL Entertainment Association and those guys are keen to try and develop alternative things to Dream Weekend, having more local shows.
People, tell me now, where am I going to put Dream Weekend now? Where am I going to put Dream Weekend? Remember, Dream Weekend use NEGRIL have a park, Wet and Wild and all of them someday. So where am I going to keep Wet and Wild now? Then I realize that sometimes you have something in a way, so it have a look, so it fit for. You see, once it change, it's like everything just get confused and it just not feel the same again to it move. Me I tell you, we experience that with when we usually go carnival and thing, and it's like the route where them usually take for years, them stop use a route. And from that, it just get boring after that. Enough people don't really go because they not take the original route. So NEGRIL go change. How can a biggest event we keep one time a year? Who don't want it move? See, yo, Jano, me I tell you people.
But that news came at a time when many small hotels in NEGRIL have been seeing low occupancy levels.
Used to be fully booked from weeks before.
People, me I tell you them people are lying now. Them people are lie and them bad mind. Them want bad mind Dream Weekend. Them a say, yo, true Dream Weekend, make them a get lower bookings. People, that make no sense? That nah make no sense. Because Dream Weekend carrying revenue. They must say because of Dream Weekend, they might get lower bookings with that pack. I know Dream Weekend and no problem, brother. Maybe I no service. Or one event we keep. So I'm to the rest of the year, them when Dream Weekend not keep. When not get bookings. Yo, them people have bad mind, me I tell you. The one little event we keep one time a year for make people enjoy the man, them want to relocate and mash up the structure. Jano people. Hear what I say?
And then you don't have a one room empty, right? Nowadays, even my colleagues, hotels that are nearby aren't getting as much either.
People, if you hear it in a man voice, me I tell you, brother, the man I can't be the man I blame Dream Weekend because him if not get no bookings. Tell me now. Dream Weekend when people are foreign, UK, all of them places, Caribbean, are come, a Jamaica for revenue. Just because them these are small little hotels, you know, where now really get the support. One little 5-day event, brother, how that will stop your whole year are getting support and booking out. You are saying, because of that it regular usually book. Them things come like bad mind because the people maybe are book somewhere else and only not get it, only want somebody to blame now. Nah, make no sense.
From the beach road all the way down past me, full up of people for Dream Weekend.
And on top of that, entertainment in Negril has already been slowing to a crawl during the year outside of the seasonal party series like Dream Weekend. Some believe other major towns are unfairly being marketed as entertainment hubs.
I still believe places like OCHO and Kingston is going to be a hot topic. They get way more attention than Negril.
Brother, stop it, brother. Stop it. Negril, right now, Negril have more tourism than where in a Kingston right now, brother. Stop it, bro. Negril have the finest resort them, hotel them, the beach, all of these things. Negril have it. In a Kingston, I wouldn't really have no beaches like that, brother. What you mean about marketing? Yes, Kingston a capital, bro, but we don't have no tourism thing really in a Kingston. You have to go Mobile, Negril, OCHO and them places, bro. Me can say OCHO, yeah, tourism there so because they so have the most resort on the sea coast lining off. You understand? Me sure about that. You see it. So them hotel here, I don't know. The people might blame Dream Weekend because him not get much bookings at them hotel. I don't understand. I don't know how that forward it. But listen what I say.
This is in Jamaica that don't get any attention at all.
There has been talk for years to build a designated entertainment zone in Negril. Stakeholder at Karela Inn, Daniel Grizzle, said it.
So people, they must say Negril not get much attention. But them want Dream Weekend for left Negril when a Dream Weekend for years I give this attention to, brother. The Dream Weekend play a major role when it comes to summertime. For our 5-day, 6-day event in a Negril plus tourism are forward there, but these hotel people, them now maybe structure them thing and give better service, better room. So maybe over time people don't really like go them place, and you understand, them must say nobody not too forward. Remember say it have to do with the economy too, you know. There are many things why they maybe not support the local small hotel, but you can't blame an event we are carrying people in a Negril. That now make no sense.
It's full time the government fast track those plans.
Everything evolves. Entertainment in Negril hasn't changed for the last 30 years. We need a venue that can attract major events.
But no, uno say the same event need to relocate. Then how now so no want this for attract more people now? Because I feel what uno maybe a lose client or certain little things. I never hear them thing. First me I hear them thing. We need to structure anything. You understand? Because when it come, let me tell you this, people. In a Kingston, I'm mostly like Airbnb people. Remember say no major resort and them thing they like where they are Negril, not they are Kingston, you know. I just hotel and them little thing there. You understand? Remember say I just through the airport, yeah, the major events them, some of them will keep in a Kingston. You understand? But the party them will keep like Dream Weekend will keep at Kingston. Dream Weekend will pull enough people. Guys, a 5-day event, you know. I don't think no 5-day event are keeping at Kingston. You understand?
We are fortunate enough for the lands to be here in Negril, lands that are owned by the government.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.
Boy, I don't know people, but I one of them thing there, man. The people them, I don't know, not for work out in the thing, but if you say yo Dream Weekend for move from Negril, I think it's a wrong mistake on I make. Me I tell them. You understand? But people they don't know me the facts now. We just come for reason and talk about certain things in the dancehall, media space and events and all of them things. But people, I don't know now media facts, you know. You don't know things said. That is it.